Welcome to Triangle Part 12. In this part, we want to solve 3 problems based on triangles and similarity of triangles. Questions are already written for you. 1 question, 2 question, 3 questions. So one by one we go on solving. First we solve this, then this, then this, so that we get the sufficient space to solve. So let us see first this question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, the side BC is trisected at D. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7AB square. This is what is your question. There is an equilateral triangle. You all know what is equilateral triangle? ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means AB equal to BC equal to AC. All the 3 sides are equal. Okay. In an equilateral triangle ABC, the side BC is trisected at D. Side BC is trisected at D. Trisected at D means D is a point on BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. Trisected at D मतलब इसको 3 पार्ट में बांटेंगे ना BC को, तो उसमें एक पार्ट ये होगा. Trisected at D का मतलब हुआ BD is 1/3 of BC. ये बोल रहा है. ट्राइसेक्टेड का ये मतलब है BD 1/3 होगा BC का. You have to prove 9AD square. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. That you have to prove. Okay. If BD equal to 1/3 of BC, then what will be CD? तब CD कितना होगा? ये 2/3 होगा. ये 1/3 है तो ये 2/3 होगा. मिला के पूरा 1 होगा. समझ गए बात? इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं BD 1/3 ऑफ BC है ना, तो ये होगा 1 minus 1/3. दैट इज 1 minus 1/3 मीन्स 2/3 ऑफ BC. ये पार्ट होगा. Squares are there. AD square, AB square. You must remember wherever squares are there and you want to convert one side into another, जैसे एक साइड को दूसरे के टर्म में लिखना है, then right angle triangle must be there. right angle triangle होगा तभी तो hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, और perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. These things can be used. So यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर खींच लीजिए AE. AE is perpendicular on BC. If AE is perpendicular, देखिए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर खींचते हैं तो दिस परपेंडिकुलर विल बाइसेक्ट BC. मतलब if AE is perpendicular on BC, then your BE and CE both will be same. ये तब मिडिल पॉइंट हो जाएगा. परपेंडिकुलर होने से बाइसेक्ट करेगा बिकॉज ट्रायंगल इज योर इक्विलैटरल. ये ऐसे भी ABE और ACE कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा. कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा तो ये दोनों पार्ट इक्वल हो जाएगा. CE इक्वल टू BE एंड बोथ विल बी हाफ BC. ओके. One more thing, see, so BECE can be written as half BC. What can you write for DE? जरा ये बताइए तो DE को क्या लिखेंगे आप? DE को लिख सकते हैं BE minus BD. DE can be written as BE. BE means half BC minus BD. BD means 1/3 of BC. इज नॉट इट? अरे ये डीई को बीई माइनस बीडी लिखेंगे ना, बीई है हाफ बीसी और ये बीडी कितना है, 1/3 ऑफ बीसी है. सो व्हाट विल बी एलसीएम 6, 3 माइनस 2, 1/6 बीसी. तो ये डीई आपका जो है ये 1/6 बीसी होगा. ABC is an equilateral triangle, so AB equal to BC equal to AC. Thus BD is given 1/3, so DC will be 2/3. These are half, BE and CE, half of BC, and DE will be 1/6 of BC. So these many things we have got. Okay, this we have drawn by ourselves. You will write one line. Let AE perpendicular BC is drawn. Let AE perpendicular on BC is drawn. है ना? Now let us see how can we get this result. ये लाना है ना. 9AD square equal to 7AB square. You take AB square first. AB square से शुरुआत कीजिए. AB square can be written as AE square plus BE square because we have to use right angle triangle. AE square plus BE square, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, and AE square can be written as AD square minus DE square because this is also a right angle triangle, is not it? So AE square can be written as AD square minus DE square plus BE square. Okay, now we have to write AB square in term of AD square. So let us convert all into AD, or AD square equal to, you have to 9AD square equal to, you have to write 7AB square. So all these terms must be converted either in term of AD square or in term of AB square. So AD square it is already there, let it be AD square. इसको तो चाहिए ही, छोड़ दीजिए इसको. DE can be written as 1/6 BC its square plus BE is half BC its square. So it is AD square minus 1/36 BC. Here since it is ABC is an equilateral triangle, so all the three sides are equal. So BC can be written as AB, तो इसको AB भी लिख सकते हैं, plus 1/4 BC. BC can also be written as AB. ये सबको लाके इधर ऐड कर दीजिए, आ जाएगा आपका आंसर. So what will be, this implies AB square common, here it is 1, this will come this side, plus this will come this side and minus, ये हो जाएगा, और इधर छोड़ दीजिए AD square. Let us simplify it. LCM 36, देखिए what will be here, 36 plus 1, 36 plus 1 minus 9. Okay, so what will be this, 38 minus 9, sorry, 36 plus 1, 37 na, yeah. This will be 37 minus 9 by 36. So 37 minus 9 means how much, 28. 28 by 36 AB square equal to AD square. Is not it? Is it correct? So now 7 use 4 7 ja 28, 4 9 ja 36. Is not it? So 7 AB square, 9 will multiply this side. So 7 AB square equal to 9 AD square. This result will come. So in this way we can get this result. यहाँ से आ जाएगा ना, यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपका 7 AB square equal to 9 AD square. So I hope you have understood this problem. Now this is a very very important question. It is given in NCERT book as well as in any other book. You will find this sum. जो भी किताब खोलिए सब में ये सम मिलेगा आपको. Now come to next question. Next question is, if the area of two similar triangles are equal, two similar triangles are there. There is a triangle, suppose ABC, and there is a triangle DEF. It is given they are similar, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Both the triangles are similar. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, their area equal, then triangle must be congruent. Okay. It is given area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. Also we know area, in short we are writing here, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF can be written as AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF square. This result we have already proved in the previous part. The previous part means I think it is in part 10, 9 or 10, you will see these results already proved. If two triangles are similar, area of their ratio of their area is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. This is the result. And both the areas are same. ये दोनों area same है, तो ये कट जाएगा. कट जाएगा means this will be equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So we can write AB square equal to DE square. Means AB equal to DE. BC square equal to DF square. So BC equal to EF. And AC square equal to DE square. So AC equal to DE. This we can write. Corresponding sides are equal. इसका ये साइड इसके ये साइड के इक्वल है, ये साइड इसके इक्वल है और ये साइड इसके इक्वल है. इसका तीनों साइड इसके तीनों साइड के इक्वल है तो दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होगा. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का कंडीशन है कि इफ ऑल द थ्री साइड्स ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल टू द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग थ्री साइड्स ऑफ second triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. So we can say yes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. In this way we can show if area of two similar triangles are equal, then they must be congruent. This is the result also. You should know if area of two similar triangles are equal, they must be congruent. Now come to our next problem. Say this question. Prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is half the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. This is also a very important question given in your NCERT book as well as in any other books. You will find this question. This is also a very important question for class 10. See, we'll try to understand what does it mean. Prove that, you have to prove area of the equilateral triangle. Which equilateral triangle? Described on the side of a square. There is a square. Let us draw a square first. This is a square. थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया. Okay. This is a rough figure, not exact figure. Then also, this is a square. Okay. Prove that area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square. ये जैसे साइड है ना, इसके साइड पर एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे. ये जो साइड है ना, described on this in this way. All these three sides are equal because this is an equilateral triangle. उसके साइड पर एक equilateral triangle बनाएंगे. Prove that area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is, इसका जो एरिया होगा is half the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. इसका ये है diagonal. इसके डायगोनल पर अगर एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल बनाते हैं ऐसा, सपोज दिस इज द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल डिस्क्राइब्ड ऑन इट्स डायगोनल, मतलब ये तीनों साइड इक्वल है, ये इसका डायगोनल. इट्स एरिया विल बी हाफ ऑफ इट, हाफ ऑफ दिस. ये जो ट्रायंगल बना है ना डायगोनल पर, उससे हाफ होगा इसका एरिया. ये प्रूफ करना. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल डिस्क्राइब्ड ऑन द साइड is half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. I hope you have understood the question. Let this is a square. A, B, C, D is a square whose side is suppose x. चारों साइड x है मान लीजिए. And this is the triangle DEF described on the side. And DBE is the equilateral triangle described on the diagonal of the square. Okay. If side is x, then this will also be x, this will also be x. And what will be diagonal? Diagonal होता है, इसे square है. At side x, then what will be diagonal? Root under x square plus x square. So 2x square. So root 2x. So root 2x will be the diagonal. So this side will also be root 2x. This side will also be root 2x because EDB is an equilateral triangle. You have to show area of triangle DFC is half of area of triangle DBE. Okay. So find area of triangle DBE. What will be this? एरिया ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल √3/2 साइड स्क्वायर। इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया होता है √3/2 साइड स्क्वायर। दिस इज द एरिया फॉर एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। सो √3/2 side, what is side of this DEB? √2x x square. So it is √3/2 into 2x square. √2 square is 2, so it is √3x square. Okay, take it equation number 1. Now find area of triangle DCF. What will be √3/2 side square. What is its side? X square. So clearly its double is this. इसको डबल करेंगे तो ये आएगा ना. So this is half of this, which is equal to half of √3x square, is not it? So आप लिख सकते हैं half of area of triangle, ये किसका है, DB. So in this way we can get area of triangle DCF is half of area of triangle DBF, है ना. ये √3x स्क्वायर को लिख सकते हैं ना, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DBF, तो इसको हाफ √3x स्क्वायर लिख दिया, तो हाफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DBE हो गया. तो वही प्रूफ करना था कि इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया, ये जो हाइपोटेनस पर बना है, सॉरी ये जो डायगोनल पर बना है, उसके एरिया का हाफ होगा. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन प्रूफ इट. So I hope you have understood the problem. So in this video this much. Thank you for watching.